It's summer now and the heat is on in Metro Manila, but I don't care because winter is here. Here's my quick unboxing of the Adidas Ultraboost Game of Thrones White Walker Edition. Let's go! Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming with another unboxing video. This is the second Ultraboost Game of Thrones that I copped today, and let's go and unbox this, the Ultraboost White Walker Edition. So again, same kind of box as the House Start, and for all other sneakers in this Game of Thrones collection, this is the same box. You have the Adidas branding here, and the Game of Thrones branding as well in a black box, so it's quite different from the regular Ultraboost box. So this is again the White Walker Edition Ultraboost. I got a size 9 US for this because I intend to wear this with my thin socks and with my tapered pants. The price is the same as the House Start, which is 8,900 pesos, and that translates to about $180. I got a bit of a discount because I had 3 stripes vouchers remaining, so that's good. Anyways, the product number is EE3708. So let's go and see what this looks like. So this is it, the White Walker Ultraboost. Compared to the House Start one, this has instead a plastic toe guard, plastic mid cage, and a plastic heel counter. The tag here at the heel says winter is here. You have the swirly ice thing here. Yeah, remember that scene in the TV series where you have parts of bodies arranged by the White Walkers in a circle? So I think this is the same as that one. So like with the House Start Ultraboost, I will go and have a more detailed review of this, but for now let's do the usual 360 view. So this is the view from the top, from the lateral side, medial side, from the back, and the sole. In summary, first impressions, the design and the colorway to me represents the White Walkers well. So I'm really glad that I got this. And that's my quick unboxing of the Adidas Ultraboost Game of Thrones White Walker Edition. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace.